Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices fell as the decision by the OPEC Plus group to speed up unwinding of oil output cuts in May compounded already heavy losses following US President Donald Trump's announcement of sweeping new import tariffs. Mega-cap US tech companies, including Apple and retail giants Walmart and Nike, led a global market meltdown as President Donald Trump's sweeping new tariffs heightened fears of a spike in costs across a wide range of industries. US crypto stocks declined after President Donald Trump's latest round of sweeping tariffs rattled investor confidence due to rising global trade tensions, sparking a sell-off in riskier assets. Crypto exchange Coinbase Global fell about 7.7%, while major Bitcoin holder Strategy dropped 5.6%.
The euro-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.